pretty nice. Pretty speedy, nice pitch, nice yaw. Very speedy. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel and my video of the HUBSAN X4 H107L. This quadcopter has nice LED lights right on the top and has nice soft landing legs. It has a distance of 100 meters and it takes 3.7 volt 240 milliamp battery. The flight time on this thing is around 9 minutes and the charge time is around 30 minutes. You can turn the lights on and off by holding the throttle trim button, this button right here, to turn the lights on and off. And it has two speed modes, a normal and an expert, and you use the pitch stick to press down to turn normal and expert. It also can do flips, but only in the expert mode. You do this by pressing the throttle stick down to change the mode, and if you hear two beeps, you are in the flip mode, and if you hear one beep, you are in an anti-flip mode. And to calibrate the accelerometer on the transmitter, you hold the throttle stick to the lower right and you rotate the pitch stick back and forth like so, and the lights on the quadcopter will blink a couple times, the blue lights, and you have done your calibration for the quadcopter. Also, you can calibrate the transmitter, the sticks for the transmitter. You do this by holding the sticks to the upper left position, both of them, and then turning on the power and rotating the sticks several times. And you can press any of the trim buttons down and the red light will flash and you are done. You can also configure the remote's sensitivity for the pitch, the yaw, and the roll. You long press the pitch stick. Let me turn it on here. Long press the pitch stick if I have the quadcopter on, and then it'll take you into SE mode, and then you press the throttle stick to change which functions you want to change the sensitivity on, and you use the corresponding trim buttons to change the sensitivity. All right, so let's go for a flight. Okay, taking off. It is in low mode. Very nice. Okay, let me drop it here for a minute. Okay. Need to put on my sunglasses. The sun is too bright. Okay. That's the yaw in low. The pitch right now is at its factory settings and it's at 50%. It's not a very good pitch, forward pitch, but I notice it has a drift to the back. I make a turn and it drifts to the back a little bit. But I'm sure you can change that by configuring the pitch sensitivity, and when you calibrate the accelerometer, you can tilt it forward with a little something to brace the back of the quadcopter and calibrate so it goes more forward. All right, let's go to high rates. Oh wow, on the high rates it's pretty fast yaw, and the pitch is the pitch is really nice too. Okay, I went into the anti-flip mode, so I don't want to do flips yet. Wow, pretty speedy. The yaw is a little bit too fast for normal flying. Bring it in here, do a little funnel.